Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful ornamental quilling envelope box for the gifting purpose, and this is super duper easy to make and it looks fabulous. So I will just quickly show you how it looks from inside. I have added beautiful tussle hangings in the bottom, and here inside the envelope you will get this transparent box in which you can put chocolates or any gifts or Shagun money, anything inside this. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. First I'm starting with making the envelope. For this I'm taking this pink cardstock which measures 27.3 by 17.8 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased on 2.3 and 4.5 centimeters. So from all the four sides you have to create these two creases. Now I will just show you how you need to cut it from the corners. So you just need to cut the corner 3 squares and 1 slit. Like this. Similarly, I will repeat for the remaining 3 corners. Now I am burnishing everything and folding using bone folder. Now first I am attaching these two flaps using glue, and then I will just tuck the corner flaps inside each other and then the biggest flaps, and you will get beautiful base box. And the box is ready. It is looking nice, finished and crisp. Now to make lid I am taking this beautiful cardstock which measures 28.8 by 19.3 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased on 2.5 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So from all the four sides you need to create these two same creases, 2.55, 2.55 and 2.55. Now again I am going to cut the bottom 3 squares, but just before that I am creasing everything. And then I am chopping the corners like this, just like we created for the box. And this is done. Now before constructing the lid I am going to cut one frame inside this. So here we have to cut this rectangular shape, and I have kept 1.3 centimeter gap from all four sides and then created one rectangular shape. So using my paper cutter I am just cutting it. And this is done. Now since this is a holographic cardstock, this is little kind of plastic, so to secure it nicely I am just using my double-sided red tacky tape for corners only. So first I will stick 4 corners and then I will fold all the flaps to construct the box. Similarly, stick this as well. And the lid is ready. Now inside the lid, I am just sticking this 9 by 18.5 centimeter acetate sheet or OHP sheet. And the transparent lid is ready. Now I'm taking back the box and I'm putting my lid on top of this. It is perfectly done. Now to make the decorative piece on front, I am taking this rough paper which is having 19.6 by 10 centimeters measurement. I have just folded this in half and created this curved shape using pencil. You can use any design of your choice. And now I'm just trimming it using my scissors. Then tracing this design on pink color cardstock. Then I am just cutting this shape as well. In the same way, I am going to trace it on gold mirror cardstock and this floral cardstock. I will just reduce the size each time. So after cutting all 3 shapes, this is done. I have just reduced the size each time so that all the color cardstock we can see from the top layer. Now I am just joining all 3 parts together. Like this. Now I'm taking this blue cardstock to make the envelope base. This measures 30.5 by 19.6 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 10.2 centimeters, 13 centimeters, 23.2 centimeters and 26.3 centimeters. Now I'm folding all the creases and burnishing it using bone folder. Then taking back my design and I'm going to stick it with this excess flap. So when we will close the envelope, it will look like this. Now I'm just decorating my envelope from inside using some pattern paper strip. So here I have taken gold mirror cardstock and on top of this I have added floral cardstock, which is little smaller than the gold cardstock. So I'm just adding these panels. Like this, and on back side I will add one more cardstock, but before that we have to stick the tassels hanging so that we can close the envelope easily. So using my red tacky tape, I am just adding one strip on the flap, then sticking my these handmade hangings, or you can say danglers. And to secure it more, I am just adding 2 to 3 tacky tape on top of this. Now just remove the liner and I am covering it with this beautiful blue color cardstock, which is already cut with the same design. And to decorate this, I have added gold mirror doily on top of this. And this is done. Now similarly on back side of the envelope, I am going to attach one more dangler hanging. And I'm covering it with floral cardstock, which is again decorated with the doily design. And this is done. Now I'm going to stick my box inside the envelope. So just in the bottom I'm adding glue and sticking exactly in the center. Then putting back the lid on top of this, and the box envelope is ready. Now it's time to decorate this with some quilling shapes. So for my first shape, I am taking one strip of pink color, one strip of yellow color and half strip of dark green color and making one tight coil dome shape. So taking my envelope and on top of this I am sticking this dome in the bottom. Then for the next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and 1/8 strip of pink color and making one tight coil, and I will going to add these tight coil around the dome shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters and I am using only 3 mm strips for today's project. And this is done. Now here I am taking one strip of dark blue color and wrapping it around these yellow tight coils. Like this. Then for the next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of dark blue color, 1/4 strip of white color and 1/4 strip of light green color, and I am making one tight leaf shape. So I have already prepared some more. Around this circle I am going to add these leaf shapes. Like this. Now here in the center I have added this tight leaf shaped dome, which is made using half strip of dark pink, 1/4 strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of dark green color. So this is a simple design, and around this I am going to add these tight coil, which is made using 1/8 strip of white and 1/8 strip of dark pink color. Just a simple tight coil shape, and I am just adding my last tight coil on top of this. Then I will show you how to make the scroll. So here I am taking two 1/4 strip of dark pink color and two 1/4 strip of yellow color, gather all together, fold it from center and then twist it using pointed tweezer in one direction, and then just open it and you will get the beautiful scroll design. Just cut the excess strip from the bottom, secure it with the glue, hold it for a few seconds and your scroll is ready. In the same way we need total 4 scrolls. These two are made using white and green combination and these two are made using light green and dark blue combination. I have used 1/3 strip instead of 1/4, and also prepared some tight coils using yellow and pink combination in different sizes. And this teardrop shape is made using half strip of dark blue, 1/4 strip of white and 1/4 strip of light green color. Now I am assembling everything on top of this, and all the shapes are very basic, but still if you have any doubt you can ask me freely in comment section about the strip sizes and shapes. And this is done and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. So the beautiful envelope is ready. I have decorated the base blue cardstock using some gold color circle cutouts. These are gold papers, and now you can just open it like this, and I have decorated the lid as well using border punch cutout. You can put chocolates, gifts or money inside this. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.